Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Motor Tanker Marida Mulberry Bridge. This is little introduction about all bridge equipments. Hope so this video will help you for your study purpose or for your knowledge purpose. This is what a steering console of a ship, from where we can steer a ship. You can see steering wheel, and there is a master gyro which shows your gyro heading with respect to your true north. This is what an S-band radar. This is what an ECDIS. This is what an X-band radar. X-band radar and S-band radar are mandatory as per the SOLAS requirement for my ship's requirement. This is what an VHF number 1. This is what an signaling lamp which you can use for the signaling. These are the binoculars. You can use it for a navigation aids. This is what an center gyro repeater. You can see it also shows your gyro heading. There is a dimmer switch, and this is what an your on off switch. This is for the synchronizing your repeater with a master gyro. This is spring loaded switch. This is the button for the whistle. This is for the Morse key. You can just use this thing for an signaling purpose with the Morse codes. You can see the Morse codes. This is what a second VHF which we are having. We can use it for both. This is what an CO2 extinguisher as per requirement. For electronic equipments we should have CO2 extinguisher on board. So we do have CO2 extinguisher on my bridge. This is what an Banvas bridge navigational watch alarm system. It gives an alarm if there is no officer on a watch, or else he is not in an operation condition. This is what a bridge console looks like. You can see here there are some of the switches for the starting and stopping. This is for the fire pump, fire and GS pump. This is for an alarm from hospital. If someone is over there and they need some assistance, they can just press it from over there and it will give the visual and audible alarm over here. This is for the emergency fire pump. This is for the bow thruster room supply fan. This is from the refer chamber alarm. And these are some of the switch. These are the emergency stop for some of the important stuff. These are the light switches. The different light on a ships, like an forward light, like an manifold light, like pilot light, like accommodation light, and the many more lights like this. This is for the signaling lights. All lights you can just switch it on and off from over here. This is navigation light control panel. You can see the all lights, the forward masthead light, the side lights, and the aft masthead light and the stern light. This is what the PA system. This is what an PA system. This is what an horn controller. You can select your horn or else light, the whichever you wanna select. This is what the steering motor panel, the number 1 steering motor, number 2 steering motor. This one is what the source, the electricity source which it is showing. It is on the main AC source 220, emergency AC source 220, and the DC 24 volt source. This is what showing the on that indicator panel. This is what sound power telephone. In case of an emergency you can use this one also. This is what main engine telegraph. We give order from here with this knob. You can just put it like dead slow ahead, half ahead, and full ahead like this. And the same for the astern, dead slow astern, half astern, and the full astern. This is what bridge maneuvering panel. You can see like C mode, standby mode, and finished with engine. And this is for the bridge control. This is for the ECR control. This is for the local control. And there are some emergency settings of this, like the slow down cancel, slow down reset, shut down cancel, like this, and start block. There are some of the settings on this. This is what and one another telephone which we do have. It's an battery telephone. We can use this one also in case of an emergency. You can like communicate to this all stations with this phone. This is what an auto telephone. This is what an common phone like you can use for the all the phones on board. This is what an your air pressure indicator. With respect to this, you give the kicks and the air is utilized from this. This is what an main engine RPM indicator. This is what an AIS of my ship. This is what an the Inmarsat C distress button. If you have to press the distress button for at least 4 seconds to send distress alert via Inmarsat C, it will send an undesignated distress. This is what my DGPS, the GPS number 2. It shows the position with respect to the global positioning system. It is on WGS 84 now, the datum. And these are the some of the controls for the like this is for the wiper, the bridge wiper systems for the glass. This is for the heater for a glass. This is my VDR console. It shows the VDR information about any alarm or anything like this. It will show over here. This is for if in case of fire you have to press this one. You have to just break the glass and you have to press it. This is for the bow thruster. If you want to use an bow thruster, these are some of the switches on and off. You can give just thruster to port or to starboard, and it's on the percentage. And this is what a general alarm with an hand. You can just like press it with an hand, it will start your general emergency alarm. And this is what an auto. If you put it on auto, it will keep on giving you alarm. This is for a searchlight in case you want to use in the rough seas, or else in case of any search and rescue operation, you can use this searchlight. This is what a dead man alarm. This is what an gas alarm repeater unit. This is what an inert gas generator the panel. The normally it shows like if there is some alarm like deckman pressure high, O2 content high or low, deckman pressure low, or the common alarm. And these are the like indicators or the gauges. This was all about your controls on a bridge. This is what the like printer for the main engine movements which we give. So this keeps track of the like whatever the main engine movements have been given so far. And we will move ahead to some of the important things on a bridge. This is what a Navtex. This gives the local coastal warnings, navigational warning. There are the many different messages from which ABDL messages are fixed, which we can't change. This is my GPS number 1, and this is a chart table, and these are the charts. These are the like different charts which we do have from so many numbers to so many numbers. And there are pyrotechnics inside this one. Pyrotechnics, immersion suits, like 4 LTAs, 12 rocket parachutes, and my life jackets and immersion suits. This is what a master clock you can see. This is what a master clock. One is on we are following now GMT time, so it's the both are on GMT. This is what a Doppler lock, if you can see. This is what a weather facimal, I repeat. Now we will move ahead to these are the portable VHF radios. As per the SOLAS requirement, we should have it, so we do have 3. This is what and the total PA system control panel you can see. So this is what and most important stuff on a bridge. This is what an GMDSS console, if you can see. This is for the like your DSC controller. Okay, this is your SAT-C. This is your SAT-C. This is your like for MFHF, and these are the printers for the both. And that's all about your bridge equipments. We do have some EBDs on a bridge. The emergency escape breathing device, you can use it in case of an emergency for rescuing. There are some of the important things on a bridge, like flags. If you can see, different country flags are here. One more important equipment, which is a course recorder. You can see it keeps on recording your course. Some of the more important thing on a bridge, this is what a wheelhouse poster. It gives you information about your maneuvering characteristic, the like at the time of dry dock, like in ballast condition and in loaded condition. They have taken this all data down on this wheelhouse poster. This what gives you an important information about your ship's maneuvering characteristic. This is what an echo sounder, which gives you the depth of the UKC you have to set as per the draft. This is what an emergency station bill, you can call it as a muster list. It gives you a brief information about all persons duty in case of any emergencies. This is what and the fire control panel, like from here, like you can come to know that exactly in which zone which alarm is over there and which smoke detector or the any detector is activated. This is what and water mist repeater. This is another Banvas switch for resetting Banvas switch. This is for the fire and general alarm, the bell. This is your barometer, it's important, which gives you an barometric pressure. This is what an VDR console of my ship. That's all about the introduction of bridge equipments, guys. Hope so this video will help you for your study purpose or for your knowledge purpose. And one more thing I've forgotten, like this is what an SART which we do have on a bridge. Okay, as per requirement we should have it SART. So this is what an SART. And these are the sensors for the Banvas, which always keeps track of me that whether I'm here or not. If I'm not here, then they starts giving alarm. Hope so it will help you, guys. Thank you for your help. Like hope so it will help you in your future. Thank you. Bye.